Excellencies,
has advised us that the Ekiti State
I will now take us through the result of the presidential election in Ekiti State. 20 votes, 2-0. 6 votes, 6 votes, 0-6.